Ano kaya yung trip kong bilhin today? Bilhin ko kaya ang uste. Charot. Doon na pala kayo guys, sorry. Ito kayo nakita. What's up guys? It's G and right now we're here on top where we talk about anything and everything that goes on top of my mind. So this is a podcast kung saan i-air out ko lang sa inyo lahat ng aking naiisip at nararamdaman from the top of my mind to the bottom of my heart. This is, wow, welcome to G on Top. Welcome to G on Top. As what I said kanina, I'm gonna talk about everything that's going on top of my mind and from the bottom of my heart. Okay ba yun guys? Or ano na lang? I'm gonna talk about all the tops and all the bottoms. Okay. Mas okay yung una. Okay, sige. Anyway, magpapakilala na po ako sa lahat po ng mga napadaan lang tong video na to sa newsfeed nyo or nag-auto-next lang sa YouTube. Ako po si Gian Bernardino. Ako po ay isang vocalist. Ako ay singer, songwriter, actor, pwede na rin. Trinay ko rin maging vlogger. Ano pa bang credentials ko? I'm a student. I'm an ex-student. Naging dentistry student ako. Explain ko kung bakit. Pero hindi ko yun magpagkasya ngayon kasi medyo traumatic eh. Tinalikuran. Hindi, pag-uusapan natin yung lahat. So yun na nga, I'm a singer, I'm a songwriter, I'm an actor minsan, pwede rin. I'm an editor, I'm a director, I love films, I'm a shrimp enthusiast, I'm a film enthusiast, I'm extra, I am valid, I am cute, I am beautiful no matter what they say, kahit anong sabihin nila, okay ako. Umiyak, tinalikuran lahat. Hindi, ayun na nga. I'm Gian, and you may know me as someone na mahilig mag-spoken word poetry sa TikTok. Pero I'm a lot more than that. I'm a lot more than a singer na nakikita nyo nag-headbang sa stage, gumigiling dyan, ganyan. And ayun, I feel like this podcast will make you know me more. Why am I starting this podcast? For the past few months or few days or few years, madalas kasi akong mag-air out ng random thoughts ko sa broadcast channel ko sa Instagram. Ganito, ganyan. And minsan sobrang lalim, minsan sobrang babaw, minsan sobrang random, ganyan. And I thought, what if mag-break muna ako sa pagiging tagapagbantay ng mundo during 3 a.m. in the morning at gumawa ng podcast kung saan maayos kong malalatag yung thoughts ko tapos mapag-uusapan natin siya. Di ba? Di ba? Parang okay naman eh. Sana hindi kayo mag-visit sa mga sasabihin ko. Pero yun na nga. I'm starting this podcast kasi I wanna show you the Gian behind the scenes, off stage, off cam. Alam ko may camera to, pero ayun na yun. Gets yun na yun. Sa mga nakakakilala sa akin, you know me as someone na very random. Medyo twisted yung utak ko, okay? Aminin ko na. Medyo minsan di ko na rin gets yung sarili ko. Pero alam kong may sense naman minsan. So, ayun, siguro, I want you guys to see me as someone who is real. Lalo na as an artist, we tend to be subjective sa image na sobrang perfect, ganito, ganyan. Pero I think a lot of my fellow artists would agree na we have thoughts on top of our minds that we're afraid to air out or to talk about kasi we're being put in a pedestal na bawal magkamali, bawal magkaroon ng moments na meron kang lapses in judgment, ganyan. Pero kahit naman may ganun, kahit naman meron kaming mga thoughts na medyo twisted, we are still capable of processing them, addressing them, and making our actions based on our moral compass. I think this podcast will all be about that. And ayun, for those of you who are asking, bakit G on top? So it's a mix of a wordplay kasi nga, my nickname is G and I'm on top. Obvious ba? This will just be a safe space for me and sa mga kasama ko dito. I feel like dito sa podcast na to makakagawa tayo ng sariling mundo natin. Di ba? Parang may sariling mundo nga ako ngayon dito, eh. Alam niyo bang may mga ibang tao dito ngayon, kumakain sila diyan pero wala akong pake at saka parang wala rin kasi silang pake sa the G on top is not about being perfect. I feel like this is an avenue where I could be real as much as possible, as much as I can. Unfiltered, kumbaga. Kasi, yun nga, tulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina, now that I'm at this point in my career, isa na akong public figure and every time siguro na makakita tayo ng posts ng mga public figure or ng mga ganap nila online, we tend to misinterpret them. We tend to jump into conclusions without knowing the full story. This would be a platform for me and for other people, other artists, other personalities to express what's on top of our minds. It may not be agreeable at most times, pero we're here to confront our own thoughts, our own feelings, our own sentiments. Ayun, we just talk about it and we talk about how we would react on certain situations, like, the right way. Kasi minsan, alam nyo, na-experience ko as an artist while growing up in this industry, every time na nakaka-encounter ako ng mga bagay na hindi akma sa inexpect ko, I tend to react right away based on my emotions. And if there's something na natutunan ko for the past year, it's about processing my thoughts and emotions first before I make my reaction or before I act on them. I feel like that's the most important part of the preparation before making this podcast. Kasi nga, ayun, I think we have to be as mature as possible in facing stuff. I know I haven't reached that perfect status of reacting on things or on facing stuff. Pero I think I'm way better than I was before. Sana mag-manifest dito kasi parang baka ma-cancel pa rin ako. Anyway, bahala na kayo kung mag-disagree pa rin kayo sa akin. Wala ito na yun unfiltered eh. So ayun, some days will get deep and some days will get very, alam niyo yun, very random na parang will get weird sometimes. Today, it might be about heartbreak, my failures. And tomorrow, it could be about the discrimination against rats at kung bakit natin pinipatronize ang hamsters. Ano niyo, tignan niyo yun. May naririnig pa akong jingle ng politician. Pwede rin natin pag-usapan, iboboto ba natin? Hindi. Mga ganun. Trapo ba? Or plastic ba? Ganyan. Or tunay na lingkod ba yan? Tignan natin. If you're wondering what to expect sa podcast na to. Siyempre, sa ibang episodes, mag-isa ko lang talaga. Pag kunyari, meron akong naisip randomly ganito, shucks. Ipo-podcast ko to. Kahit feeling ko walang makaka-relate, wala kayong magagawa. Mundo ko to eh. Minsan din, magkakaroon ako ng guests. You name it, i-guest natin yan. Pwedeng co-artist ko, pwedeng influencer, pwedeng athlete, ganyan. Sino ba? Pwedeng kahit sinong celebrity, pwedeng si Bakit eksakto? Joke lang yun, pero kung gusto niya, game naman. Pwede yung mga BFF ko, ganyan. Tapos, meron din tayong special episode na parang regularly siya mangyayari. One with my bestie, si Vian Lean, and one with my guy best friend, si Chompi, si Chomps. So yan, yun yung parang, as of now, yun yung two special G on top episodes natin na regularly mangyayari, depende sa magiging usapan. And other episodes will be with guests na gusto niyong bumisita dito minsan on top. So ano bang vibe natin dito sa G on top? Well, I guess if we're on top of the world, I feel like kung sino man yung uupo dito kasama ako, they should feel free. Like literally sitting on top of the world na nothing can stop them from airing out kung anong gusto nilang sabihin. Kasi this would be a safe space, not only for me, but for my fellow artists, for my friends, for those who I love and for those who love me, of course. And ayun, I feel like we want this as well to be a safe space for you sa mga nanonood. Kasi, I mean, hindi naman kami sure kung makaka-relate kayo sa mga thought process namin or sa humor namin or sa mga dark thoughts namin. Pero, ewan ko, I just feel like I want to make a world or a space wherein this would be an avenue for honest, unfiltered, and open conversations. Here on top, this will be a place where I hope you'd feel seen, heard, and entertained. So yun, excited na ako for what's to come sa mga susunod na episodes. Sana mag-engage kayo sa Instagram, sa TikTok, sa YouTube. And ayun, matagal ko 'tong pinangarap at pinlano ever since nung pandemic pa lang nung triny ko mag-vlog. And I really wanted to start a podcast na noon pa pero I feel like I was not ready kasi I think I was not that mentally and emotionally equipped pa or mature para gawin 'to. Pero I think hindi pa naman ako fully na-develop ngayon. Kasi medyo may saltik pa rin ako, pero ngayon medyo mas may sense na akong kausap. Sa una mukhang wala, pero ipipilit ko magkaka-sense din 'to eventually. Tignan niyo nga, parang 15 minutes na pero alam niyo 'yun, konti pa lang yung nakuha niyong aral pero gano'n talaga ako, eh. Sorry, wala kayong magagawa, nakikinood na lang kayo. Charot. Anyway, yun lang guys. Quick story lang yon on how G on Top was created. Since nasimulan ko na, I feel like wala na tayong choice, papanindigan natin 'to, 'di ba? Please, supportahan niyo ako. Sige nga kasi, nagmakaawa. Hindi, ayun na nga, kailangan ko mag-isip ng signature outro line. Kaso hindi ko pa yun nafi-figure out. Ano ba? Ito nga pala, parang every naalala ko na. So ayun, para naman ma-ensure natin na may lesson tayo every after episode. Sa dulo ng bawat episode, meron akong gustong tawagin na gist with the G. Ito yung mga lessons na ating na-pick up sa buong pag-uusap natin. Gusto niyo yun? Wala lang, invento ko lang yun. Pero ayun, ang gist ngayon is, if not now, when? Okay, hindi ako yung nag-imbento nun, narinig ko lang. Pero ayun na nga, alam niyo guys, yung mga pinapangarap niyong bagay, in some days, it would seem like a blur kasi nga things won't align sa ina-envision mo. I feel like it's the universe's way of telling you to trust the process, to think of your journey as the experience na kailangan mo para maging equipped sa right wisdom and right thoughts for you to be able to accomplish that dream. So, ayun, if I started this podcast 3 years ago, wala lang. Siguro walang kwenta rin, no? Isipin niyo yun, mag-e-edit ako, magvi-video ako, tapos parang walang sense yung sinasabi ko kasi I'm inexperienced as fuck. Working in this industry while studying noon and now full-time, I feel like marami akong bagay na kayang i-impart sa inyo. Na kahit hindi naman kayo full-time artist like me, in your universe, meron akong maibabahagi na kapupulutan niyo rin ng aral. Oy, seryoso yon. So, ang gist is, inisip ko lang yung gist. Gist number 1, trust the process. Gist number 2, gist number 2, G-spot. Charot. Gist number 2, the universe will lead you where you're meant to be. Nakaka-inspire ba yun? Hindi, feeling ko nakaka-inspire naman yun. Ma-motivate kayo please. So, pag nag-air na to or pag na-release na to, ang wish ko lang mag-tweet kayo na, oh my God, guys, panoorin niyo yung podcast ni G, pakinggan niyo. Grabe, sobrang dami ko napulot na aral. Ganun Pero wag niyo sabihin sa tweet na sinabi ko to para magulat na lang sila. Ano lang, clickbait, gano'n. Pero ang ating last G's of the day ay ito. Roses are red, violets are blue, magtiwala ka, maabot mo ang pangarap mo. Putang ina, walang kwento. Medyo mahirap pala mag-podcast, pero yun, it will get better. Ayun, yun. Gist number 4 yun, things get better, okay? Okay? Kahit mukhang malabo yung mga gusto nyong makamit, kasi nga, ginagago ka na ng mundo, tinatalikuran ka na, hang in there. Ay, gist number 5 yun. Hang in there. Kasi things get better. Pero paano kung hindi? Oh, watch out for the next episode. Sasagutin natin yan. Pero hindi ko sure kung yun yung topic next episode. Pero for sure, mapag-uusapan natin. So yeah, that's all for today. Sana ay marami kayong napulot na na aral. If wala, sana may mga napulot kayong ines. Kasi okay lang din para mapag-usapan niyo ako. Once again, this is G on Top, where we talk about anything and everything from the top of my mind to the bottom of my heart. This is G on Top.